In this newly renovated apartment in Zurich, the owner decided to furnish the kitchen with a RiFRA solution, specifically choosing the line collection with its clean and timeless lines. The island features a hand-spatulated bronze-colored metal finish. On the side of the island facing the living area, a snack counter was created, while the top is finished in black granite and houses an induction hob with a direct cooktop ventilation system. The other side of the island facing the kitchen walls is equipped with pull-out drawers. The columns, wall cabinets, and bases are all finished in matte cord-colored lacquer, with even the plinths and handles lacquered to avoid any contrasting elements. RiFRA handled the initial aesthetic 3D design and quotation, followed by consultation with one of their designers to advise the client. Then, through their Swiss branch, RiFRA Milano SA, they took care of measuring, delivery, and final installation. In addition to the kitchen, RiFRA also furnished the bathrooms and bedroom with their wardrobes. Click on the link to learn more about RiFRA and download their catalogs and book of realizations.
RiFRA, Kitchens and Beds, direct from Milano.